In the rapidly evolving world of digital technology, entrepreneurs and businesses are constantly seeking innovative ways to stay ahead of the curve. Enter MicroSAAS AI, a groundbreaking platform that promises to revolutionize the white-label software market. This cloud-based solution offers a suite of 23 white-label software applications, empowering users to sell and deploy customized software solutions with ease. MicroSAAS AI is a comprehensive platform designed to help users create and sell their own branded software solutions. By providing access to a wide array of white-label software applications, the platform enables users to deploy these tools on their custom domains, complete with personalized registration and login URLs. This not only allows for full control over the software, but also provides a seamless user experience. MicroSAAS AI offers an impressive collection of 23 AI-powered software applications. These tools cater to various needs, including affiliate marketing, content creation, image generation, and social media campaign management. By leveraging these applications, users can provide comprehensive solutions to their clients, enhancing their market offerings. One of the standout features of MicroSAAS AI is its white label capability. Users can brand the software with their logos and design elements, creating a unique product that reflects their brand identity. This is particularly beneficial for businesses looking to expand their product line without the need for extensive development resources. Deploying software with MicroSAAS AI is straightforward. Users can set up the software on their custom domains, configure registration and login processes, and manage users effortlessly. This ease of use ensures that even those with limited technical expertise can successfully launch and manage their software products. MicroSAAS AI is poised to revolutionize the white-label software market by providing a comprehensive, easy-to-use platform for creating and selling branded software solutions. With its diverse software suite, white-label capabilities, and extensive marketing materials, MicroSAAS AI offers unparalleled value to entrepreneurs and businesses. As the platform continues to evolve and expand, it has the potential to drive significant innovation and growth in the software industry. For those looking to enter the software market or enhance their existing offerings, MicroSAAS AI presents an exciting and promising opportunity. Thanks for watching.